You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary and words in English that are quite related and that too many mispronounce. So, two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English it's said as soldier, soldier. So yes, it's a J sound, J, not a D sound. It's one of those things in English. Soldier, stress on the first syllable. Now in American English it's rather pronounced as soldier, soldier. And now you know, right? Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.